Hi, today we're going to use Promotions Manager to create an order size offer in this tutorial. So in order to create an order size offer, we need to have immediate payment applied to all of the listings that we want in the order size offer. So check your listings to make sure they have immediate payment applied. So let's go through into my eBay. And it's a normal My eBay screen for those of you with Selling Manager Pro. And if we go down onto the left navigation, we'll see Seller Tools and just there Promotions Manager. So let's click through into Promotions Manager, and this will bring up the dashboard, which will allow us to create our offers. So we can see there increase order size offer. So let's go ahead and click through into increase order size. Okay, so there's a small description at the top of the page, and then there's the set offer conditions and discounts, the first section. So we want to create a buy one get one 25% off. So we'll select the quantity, so it's a quantity size offer. So let's select the minimum purchase quantity, which will be 2 items. And we want to apply an item discount. So that's the third check button there. So item discount. So we want to have buy one item, get one item for 25% off. So we select one item and 25%. And this discount can be applied only once per transaction. And so we're going to select yes, so we limit the number of listings or number of items that this discount can be applied to. So that's the first section that we set up. Then we move on to choose the qualifying items for your offer. So this is to select the actual inventory, the actual listings that want to go in. So let's create the inclusion rule. So we can select a number of different areas here. So you can select the whole shop, eBay category, or your own shop category. So you can create your own shop category and select that here. But for this example, we'll just go ahead and have a whole shop, all inventory. So you can filter it by price range and enter in here from 0 to £40, and that'll apply again to the whole shop. And you can also select the item condition underneath, so you can just have new or refurbished or used products. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that inclusion rule. You can also restrict inventory by items. This area allows you to actually enter your items, so enter the custom labels from your listings, and you can enter up to 500 custom labels in this box, and it allows you to be very specific about the listings that you can have in your offer. Okay, but we're just going to go ahead with that inclusion rule. So the third section, we need to describe the items for the offer. So this is effectively a subtitle underneath the main offer title. And so it's important to get something that kind of sells the offer a little bit more. So let's go for great records at great prices for this particular offer for this seller. And the third section, you can enter an offer title. So this is for the dashboard, so this is just for your own internal use. So let's go ahead with records, buy one get one 25%, and we can set schedule when the offer wants to go live. So we want this to go live immediately, and let's go ahead and set the date for it to finish. And you can be very specific and set the time. Let's apply that. And the last section is to add a picture to improve the promotion of your offer, but that's mainly on the all offers page. So you can select here and upload a picture in order to show on the all offer page, and you can select just the item ID or just allow eBay to select a picture for you. So that's pretty much it. That's how to set up an order size offer. So we're going to choose auto select and just go ahead and save this offer. So you can save it as draft, but we're going to go ahead and just submit to make this offer live immediately. So back to the dashboard, we can see our offer there. It's an order size offer, status is active, start date, end date. Shows the amount of revenue that the offer earns and the average order size. So let's go ahead and have a look at this offer. So here we go. At the top you can see the messaging, which is buy one get one at 25% off, and there's the subtitle, great records at great prices, and it shows all of the listings that we've selected that were in that price range. When you actually click through onto the actual individual listings, the actual individual item, it'll have above the main picture buy one get one 25% off. So this will be on all the items that this offer applies to, and underneath the main image you'll have the offer and the first few listings from the offer. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a good idea of how to set up an order size offer. Please have a look at our other tutorials in order to set up other offer types using Promotions Manager on eBay. Thank you.